What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make dry rub oven baked ribs. This is a very simple and straightforward recipe that is very delicious and juicy. So let's get started. I'm using about 8 pounds of St. Louis spare ribs. You can use any type of ribs of choice. I like the way they cut this into smaller pieces because it makes it easy to grab a piece or two when they are done. So I'm just gonna wash them with water to rinse off the blood. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm just gonna spread them out to drain while I prepare the dry rub. In a bowl, add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of ground ginger, a tablespoon of granulated onion. You can use onion powder, a tablespoon of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of ground cloves, and 2 seasoning cubes. Crush them in and mix everything to combine. Feel free to use any spice of choice and you can omit any one you don't like. But if you want to know how mine tastes, you have to use all these spices. When I'm done, I'm gonna line the baking sheet with parchment paper. It is easier for the parchment paper to stay on the sheets when you crumble it. Sprinkle some water on the sheets, then spread it out. It will practically stay on the pan. When I'm done, I'm gonna set them aside, then pat dry the meat. Right about this time, you can preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. You can also cook it at a lower temperature for a longer time. When I'm done, I'm gonna place them on the sheets, then apply the dry rub. Each piece will be coated all around with a dry rub. While I am at it, let me use this time to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. I'm going to try as much as possible to ensure that they are evenly coated. When I'm done with the top and the sides, I'm going to flip them to the other side, coat the bottom with the dry rub, then flip them back. Like I said earlier, I like the way they are cut into individual size. They can be well seasoned and they cook quickly. And when they are ready, you can grab a piece or two instead of trying to cut a large rack of ribs into smaller pieces. All done, they are nicely coated. I'm gonna place them in the oven and I'm gonna let them cook for 2 hours. I like to place a foil on top so that they don't dry out. Instead, they will retain a lot of moisture. When I'm done, I'm gonna leave them in the oven for at least 30 minutes. The residual heat will continue to cook them and in turn they will develop a darker color. Look at what they look like afterwards. Very beautiful, inviting and delicious. So let's try a piece. Let us see what it looks like on the inside. On the outside, it looks so beautiful and inviting. And on the inside, it is very juicy and properly cooked. This rib is so delicious. My kids can't get enough of it. They are always asking for it because it is that good. This is a crowd pleasing ribs because they are perfectly seasoned. The only thing they'll be doing is licking their fingers. So, in case you are interested in making ribs, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it, your family will enjoy it, and any crowd that it is served to. So, thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.